Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: tissue paper roll, scissors, bamboo skewers, floral wire and green floral tape. Take a tissue paper roll, cut it on dotted lines approximately 4.5 inches by 4 inches. Make around 8 to 10 pieces for each flower. You find 3 layers in each piece of tissue paper. Arrange 8 tissue papers neatly as shown. Fold it as shown. Now tie these foldings with floral wire by twisting it. Now spread one side foldings to separate the layers. Start separating the layers towards the tied point. Separate the layers carefully as they are very thin. Now start doing the same on the other side. Cover the twisted floral wire with floral green tape. Now attach a bamboo skewer with twisted floral wire using the floral tape. Cover the bamboo skewer with the green floral tape. Our flower stick is ready to decorate the vase. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.